Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, today's video is a very special video. So this video is specifically for Indian users. So most of the Indian users are confused how to pay taxes on their crypto earnings. So in this video, I'll show you everything. I'll talk about every single thing about how you need to show your income tax, how you need to show your crypto earnings in your income tax, and how to file taxes with live demo. So everything will be covered in this video. You can see in the screenshot. So how I made this 53,840 tax paid, which is only on the crypto earnings. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like target is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, how to pay tax in India. So how are crypto taxed in India? So first thing is, there are multiple countries have multiple ways of paying the taxes, but in India right now there is no legal guidelines of how to pay or official guidelines on how to pay your crypto taxes. So first thing is, before starting this discussion, I am not a chartered accountant, so I am not eligible to make this video. But what I did is I called one of my CA friend from a reputed bank, and I discussed everything about how to pay the taxes, how to classify it, and then only I'm making this video. So you can also consult your CA before doing any decisions. So now how are crypto taxed in India? So first question is, before this, many of the users on which amount you need to pay the tax. So many of the users are confused that if you are holding some $10,000 or $20,000 worth of tokens in MetaMask or crypto exchanges, then they are assuming that they have to pay tax on that also. So that is not required. So I'll tell you, you need to pay the tax only for the amount which is sold and you have withdrawn to your bank account. So which means that is a usual standard. So if you're holding stocks in your stock trading account, you need not pay tax on those stocks. Only once you sell those stocks and once you realize that amount to your bank account, only on that fund you will be paying the tax. So same thing applicable here also. So only when you sell your assets and then you take it to your bank account, only on that amount you will be paying the taxes. So now there are two types of earnings from crypto. I'm sure there are multiple ways, but I've made into two types, which is crypto mining and one is a crypto trading. So now crypto mining we will not discuss much in this video, so because there are no much users who are doing crypto mining right now. So all you need is to show this crypto mining. This will be treated as a speculative business, and you need to prepare a balance sheet, you need to prepare a P&L, and based on your profit you need to show those earnings in the income tax, and you need to pay the taxes. And coming to the crypto trading, so in this video we'll talk in detail about how you need to show your earnings from crypto trading or through IOs, whatever you're earning in crypto, that you can consider into this crypto trading. So now crypto is treated as an asset in India. So for any asset, if you're getting any profit on assets, selling them with either it is a movable or immovable asset, it will be treated as a capital gain. So now capital gain is having two types, which is short-term capital gain tax and long-term capital gain tax. So what is the difference? So this is a different sheet between the short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain and the terminology. So you can see this. So each asset, there are different asset categories. So let's assume equity. So if you consider equity, if the equity is purchased and sold within 12 months, then that is considered as short-term capital gain. If equity is purchased and sold after 12 months, that is considered long-term capital gain. But again, for assets like land and property, it is 3 years. So that differs from item to item. So now in this video, we will consider only the third point. We will treat this crypto as a short-term capital gain, which is having a security, which is not having a security tax on it. So which means that you need to show this into your income, and you will be paying the tax as per your income tax slab only. So because other one, long-term and short-term, we cannot segregate between crypto trading, because no one can track it whether you have purchased and sold that asset within the same year, because that funds might have been moved from different wallets. So there is no proper tracking, so that cannot be treated as long term or short term. So best way to show in this particular scenario where it is treated as short term, all your earnings treated as short term, maybe 12 months or more than 12 months, you just assume it as a 3-month short term capital gain and show it under your income tax slab. So now as per income tax slab, there are two regimes right now in India. So one is old regime and one is a new regime. So as per this table, you can identify your tax slab and you can calculate your taxes. So now let's jump into the taxation, how you can do it with a live demo. So all you need is you need to create an account in this particular e-filing portal, and once you register and log in, there will be a file now button. Once you click that, you will come to this particular page. Here you need to select the assessment year. So assessment year is nothing but financial year +1. So which means I'm filing the income tax for the earnings which I made in the year 2020-21, which means assessment year will be +1, which is 2021-22. So just select that, and then you need to click on this. Once you click that, you need to select online mode. So once you select online, click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will get to this screen. Just click on start new filing. So once you do that, you will come to the another screen where you need to select the individual option. So based on your category, you select an individual. In this example, I am doing a IT returns filing of one of my family member, which is having only the earnings through crypto, and they don't have any salaried or business earnings. So now you need to choose the ITR form. So based on the category, you have to choose. So if you're not sure, just click on proceed. It will show you which are categories applicable for you. So ITR 1 is applicable for in case if you have a salaried earnings, business earnings, or any other earnings, you have to select ITR 1. And then in case in this scenario only crypto earning is there, so I am selecting ITR, which is applicable if you don't have any income from business or profession. So I'm just selecting ITR 2 because I only have, in this scenario, this particular user only have earnings through crypto. So just select that, and if you have other also you can select, and then you can say in this example I'm doing 2 and proceed for the ITR 2. Now here you have to do let's get started, and here you need to do the validation, confirmation and verification. So let's start that. So let's get started button, you just need to click on that. So in here you need to click on taxable income more than the basic exemption. So I'm showing an income of 8 lakhs, so that is more than the exemption, so I have to proceed. Then in the screen you have to select certain amount of schedules. So first thing is in general category you have to select the first one, that is mandatory, and then on the left side you click on the income tab. There is 6 categories already selected. You need to deselect which are not applicable to you. In this example, salaried schedule is not applicable for me, so I'll deselect this. And then scheduled capital gain with capital gains on short term or long term, so that is this is applicable for me. And then schedule 12A, which is having a long term capital gain, that is not applicable. I'll deselect that, and another long term, that also deselect, and this you need to keep. So now we selected 2 in income, and then go to the deductions tab. There is 1 already selected, and if you this particular thing, if it is not applicable, just deselect and then go to the next tab, which is the taxation. So here you just select this third option, automatically other 2 will be selected, and just click on continue. So these all are mandatory, you need to fill the details and then select the other option. So here if whatever is already selected, just leave him like that and click on continue. So just you confirm this pop-up also. In the next screen you can see there are 13 schedules selected for me. So then you just click on continue. Now you need to do the general information verification. Are you opting for the new tax regime? So in this example I'm selecting new tax regime, so I'm selecting yes. In case if you want to show your income, if you want to show the deductions under ATC, ATD, other things, then you can select no. So then here are the salary exemptions. So this is not having any salary in this example, so just select no for all the items here and click on continue. In case if you have salary or anything applicable, you select yes as per your criteria. And again this is the thing here, again I will select no and click on continue. And now I have to fill the schedule summary. So there are so many things you need to fill. So first one is a part A general. So once you select part A general, there are few things like your basic details like professional personal information, contact information you need to validate. After that you click on filing status. Here you have to select 139.1 in case if you are paying before due date. If you are paying after due date, you have to select 139.4. So in this example I am selecting first one. Then scroll down here under the resident, you are in India for more than 182 days, that is applicable for most of us. Just select that. Then the as per your details select this yes or no. So I am selecting no as per my applicable terms. Just select no and just click on save. So now basic details are completed. Now you have to give the bank details. So bank details you expand it. If you already given, it will show you. If you haven't given, just click on add another, and then you give the bank details, your account number, IFSC code, and bank details should match with your name which is available on a PAN number. So just click on continue, enter this account details, and once you enter, confirm that. Once you confirm it, account details will be populated here. Then just toggle this nominate for refund and just click on continue. So once you do that, you can see the general confirmation is configured. So now second thing is scheduled capital gain. Here you have to select the things which you have to show in the tax. So just select amount deemed under short term or long term capital gain and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will head out to the next screen. In this screen, you have to show or enter the amount which you are withdrawn from crypto exchanges to your bank account, and that amount you need to show here. So now in this scenario, you just go to the top and just click expand this short term, long term capital gain, add details, and then here in this screen you have to select short term or long term. So I am paying short term, so just select short term, and not applicable, you just select this for particular term, and then you enter the amount here. So in this example, for one of the family member, it was earnings around 8,13,755. So just enter that amount here, your earnings through crypto, just enter that and click on add. So once you do that, other details will be populated automatically from the screen. So here you can see short term capital gain is shown, other details are shown, just click on confirm, and after this there are multiple tabs. All you need is just need to open those tabs and do the confirmation until the last tab. So just it will populate everything, just see the screen, just click on confirm, and then another screen, just click on confirm. So you confirm all other schedules in the same way, just open them and click on confirm. You need to enter anything. So after completing everything, you will get to the last option. So if you have any, this is in this example only crypto earnings is there, that's why these are the details I'm showing. And in this screen you can see total taxable income is shown, and paid tax, if you have any paid tax you have to show it in this table. If it is not there, then you need not you can pay, and then you can come back to this thing, and tax collected source and other advance tax paid amount you have to enter. Just click on confirm, and finally you will come to this part B TT1. Just select that option, and here you will see how much tax you have to pay for the earnings. So here if you scroll down at the end of the page, you can see the total tax payable. So here in this example 53,840 is the total tax payable. Normal amount was 48,988. So I didn't pay that in same year, so this why the interest is there, which means if the earnings were in 2021 and I am filing in 21-22, and if I am paying in next year, based on that there will be a small amount of interest on your taxable amount. So now once you see the amount, in this scenario you just select no and click on pay now button. Then the page will be redirected to the payment gateway, in which you need to select the criteria of your net banking and stuff. Just click on pay now. You will get a pop-up. You need to see, once the payment is done, please ensure to enter the payment details in the schedule IT without fail, so otherwise it will not be shown. Just click on continue. Once you do that, it will head out to the payment gateway page. You just select your bank details and net banking and do the payment, and after giving the IT returns challan number, you will come to this page. Just click on preview and proceed, and you will give the preview and click on confirm. You can see validation successful. So now proceed for the verification. So here you have to do e-verification, so just select e-verification now and click on continue. Once you do that, you will come to this page. So you have multiple options. I would recommend to go with this Aadhaar OTP e-verification and select that and continue. And once you agree the terms and click on generate Aadhaar OTP, you will receive a OTP to the number which is linked in your Aadhaar number. Just need to enter that OTP here and click on validate, and that's all. Your e-verification will also be completed once you click on this submit button. So now you can see you have successfully filed your ITR and you have verified it through Aadhaar OTP, and that's all. So now once you go back to the dashboard, you can see your this is the status. Once it moves to the processing completed, that means your IT returns is filed. So now under e-filing income tax file returns, you can see this and you can download the acknowledgement. Once the filing is completed, you can download the receipt also. So now that's all guys, that is the live demo how to pay taxes in India with complete detailed guide. So if this video was helpful for you, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you are an Indian user, I already have 2 other channels in crypto in 2 other languages. One is Crypto Hindi, which I post videos in Hindi, and I have another channel in Telugu, which is Crypto Telugu, in which I post in Telugu. So if you are Indian users, you can subscribe to any of one of those channels also. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.